Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy. I'm back with a flip through of this Easter themed journal. This one is spiral bound, and I was inspired to make a journal that was just full of happy, bright colors. I had a lot of fun putting this one together. The cover is stitched with a bunch of different paper scraps and fabric scraps that I added to the spine. I added some fabric tabs on the side, vintage inspired, of course. And as usual, this is a mix of vintage and new elements. The cover and the back of this journal are quite strong, and I left a little pocket on the front. I added some ephemera to this journal, not a ton, but enough to get the owner started. And I added quite a bit of scrap ledger paper to a lot of the pockets for added writing space. I love that duck playing card. And some vintage wallpaper. And some vintage music paper with a little flap. And this is a glassine envelope with a couple of journal cards inside. Some of these images I got from KB and Friends on Etsy, and I'll link her shop below. She has really great vintage images. Inside of this bag, this is part of a greeting card that I cut up for this journal. I left this part and the front in another pocket. A little Whitman playing card with a belly band. This is a fabric pocket with a journal card with more sewing embellishment. There's quite a bit of sewing in this journal. It was a lot of fun. I sewed the pockets and several pieces of fabric scraps. There's the front of that greeting card. So cute, and the colors are so perfect. A little guest check. Another image from KB and Friends on an envelope, and inside the envelope I just have a paper scrap and one of the cut-ups from the kit that I used. More journal scrap and game ephemera. Again, I love to use this stuff in my own journals. They're great to write on. Math flashcard. This is a little page from a Beatrice Potter book, and another cute playing card with a fabric pocket. Recipe card, some pretty vellum. And I included a couple of these paper clips. I just used some scrap fabrics that kind of went together and went with the little image. They're super cute. And again, the image is from KB and Friends. More ledger scrap. This is one of Johanna's vintage doilies. This is a pocket with a page from the Velveteen Rabbit and a scrap of vintage wallpaper. This is a milk cap. I love milk caps. They're so great. It tucks right into this pocket. This is another fabric pocket. Another one of Johanna's doilies, and a little fussy cut of a rabbit. Another one of those clips, and one of the cut aparts from the kit. Another journal card, and another cut apart from the kit. Inside this vintage glassine envelope, I have some punches, different colors, some music papers, journal paper, ledger paper, some fun things to play with, and another journal card, and a piece of vintage notebook paper. Inside another fabric pocket. This is a cute postcard. It's nice and sturdy. And lastly, we have another piece of ledger paper with a nice flip. And that's it. This journal will be available in my shop. And if you have any questions, just holler. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.